Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci eyeglasses model GG1074O in color code 001. The color of the frame is black. On its temples are protective bags to make sure that the frame doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also an oval shape. The temples are also black, and you'll find the GG Gucci emblems in gold on its temples. This is the inside of the frame, and both temples are the same. You'll also find the Gucci logo in gold on its bottom right lens. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo that is made in Italy and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 49 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci case, a Gucci dust bag, a Gucci cleaning cloth, Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is from Kering. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.